This is the power switch and dito ka din magre-recharge. Ito din yung pagpapalit-palit ng mode. So, this is how it works. The first, the second, and the third. And then, off. Amazing, right? Hi guys! Dumating na yung order ko na LED tube lights. So, isa dito blue and isa dito is purple. So, ganito yung itsura niya kapag wala yung LED tube lights. Plain lights lang ang gamit natin. Let's try. This is how it looks like using the blue light. It's a LED tube light. So, that's the color blue. Let's try naman yung purple. Ito naman yung purple. Mas gusto ko yung color ng blue kasi mas malamig sa mata. Pero I don't know kung anong mas prefer ninyo. Basta ako, it's my favorite color talaga, blue. It has 3 different modes. So yung isa, ito, yung static lang. This one, mas nabawasan yung pagiging tingkad ng kulay niya. But it's okay. It depends kung ano yung preference ninyo. And then another one is para ka nakikipag-party. You see? This one. Imagine how affordable it is. Ito naman using the 2 lights. So dito is blue and then the other one is purple. Ganyan yung effect niya. I didn't expect na napaka-affordable na price is magkakaroon ka na ng ganitong background lights. I was quite hesitant before kasi akala ko mahal. Kasi nakikita ko to sa mga big content creators dito sa TikTok and other social media platforms. And it's really good. It's giving a pro effect sa video, di ba? I would highly recommend, I would highly suggest. Now, we can try considering buying these LED tube lights, no? Kasi talaga nakakaganda pala ito talaga ng effect or ng quality ng videos. Napakaganda nito kasi alam niyo kung bakit? Aside from having 3 modes sa lights niya, depende sa mood natin, rechargeable yung lights niya. Hindi ka problema sa battery kasi anytime you can just recharge it. And then another thing is, merong magnet. So kapag meron ka mga bakal-bakal lang dyan, pwede mong idikit. Kaya talagang napaka-convenient. At isa pa, napakamura niya talaga. One of the best things na nagustuhan ko talaga dito sa item na to kasi napakamura. Nilagay ko dyan sa yellow basket. If you're interested to try, buy some ka na. Try it!